Did you ever wonder how you can send bulk emails to many people at once? Today, we're gonna learn this almost unknown method to do this. The first thing you need to do is go to the Google Workspace for developers. The link to this page will be on the description of the video. We're gonna scroll down until you find this page. Set up the script. Now, we're gonna click on Make a Copy. You can close now this page. Now click on Make a Copy. Here we are on our mail merge spreadsheet. This is your own sheet now since you made a copy, so you can title it, change it, whatever you like. I'm gonna make an example changing this to free promotion. You can change whatever of these columns except for the recipient column and the email sent column. You have to leave these two columns alive on your sheet. The recipient column is where we're gonna put the email addresses that we want to send, and then the email sent column will signalize when your emails got sent to the person you wanted. Now you have to fill out your spreadsheet to attend to your needs. So now I edited my sheet. Once you're done the same thing, let's go to our Gmail. Open a new tab and open Gmail. Now click here on Compose. The first thing you need to do is write down your email preset. Basically, the email that's gonna be sent to every person on your sheet. To make this easier, I'm gonna go back at my sheet and I'm gonna start to imagine what I have to make. Basically, I have to start with the first name of the person, then the description. So I'm gonna write my email preset thinking that. Basically, here is my example. I'm starting all my emails saying hi, then the person name, then the description, then a text. You want a free discount. You have to take it using this code. Then the code. If you have any doubt, ask my email. What we have to do now is basically configure these personalizable places to be configured associating to the sheet names. So here on recipients, put two left curly brackets, like this. Now, go back to your sheet, select the recipient page, clicking one time on it. Now press Ctrl+C, go back at the Gmail page and press Ctrl+V. Now put two left curly brackets, like this. Basically, these two curly brackets personalize your book mail sending process. And we're gonna apply the same theory to all the other stuff right here. So let's put at the first thing the person name. Let's go here at the first name, select the first name column, clicking on it one time. Now I'm gonna press Ctrl+C. I'm going to write down, I'm going to write again, and I'm going to change this to two left curly brackets like that, and I'm going to paste it here pressing Ctrl+V. You can see a blank space between the left curly brackets and the text. Don't change it. Leave it the same way that is on the original sheet. Now, two left curly brackets. Now I'm gonna press space, left curly brackets, go here at last name, Ctrl+C, Ctrl+V, right curly bracket. Here on description, the same thing, left curly brackets, description, Ctrl+C, Ctrl+V, right curly bracket. And for the last, the discount code, left curly brackets, right curly brackets. I forgot to put the discount amount, so I'm gonna type it, left curly brackets, discount amount, Ctrl+C, Ctrl+V, right curly brackets. And that's it. Now go back at your Google Sheet, click here on Mail Merge, now click on Send Email. Now click on Continue, choose your Google account, verify this app, clicking here on Advanced, scroll down and click here on Go to Gmail/Sheets Mail Merge. Scroll down, click on Allow. Now we're gonna go back at your email, we're gonna copy our subject mail, our mail subject, gonna go back at Sheet, back to the Mail Merge option, Send Emails. Now we're gonna paste our subject line of the Gmail draft message, like this. Now just hit on OK. You can see that it popped out a warning saying that the script was sent. Now let's go to our Gmail, let's go here on Sent, and here it is, all our email. Let's see one of it to see if it is right. If you had any doubts or want to make a suggestion or a compliment about the video, please comment below. If this content helped you even a little bit, please consider leaving a like on the video and subscribe to our channel. Bye!